Hi everybody, I'm Jeff from Missouri Wind and Solar, and I'd like to show you our new three-phase dual wind turbine charge controller board. This charge controller board is designed for our FreedomII wind turbine dual output three-phase motor, which means it has dual outputs, or any three-phase dual output motor. Now the new charge controller board comes in 12, 24, and 48 volt models. And everything is pre-wired on this board. It has dump load, charge controller, dual rectifiers, and dual brake switch. And it's very simple to hook this up. Just take any one of the three leads, one jack, hook to this side or that side, and the other three leads, and hook up to the other jack. Doesn't matter which way you hook them up. Just make sure that one set of leads goes to one set of jacks and the other set of leads goes to the other set. Now everything's pre-wired on this board. There's a pair of sense wires right here, are positive and negative. You just hook them to the positive and negative on your battery bank. And you take the other large cables that come with it and just hook the positive to the positive on your battery bank and the negative to your negative. Now this already comes with a dump load charge controller. It's pretty much already set to go. And this can also do solar, which you would hook solar up to the bottom two lugs on the relay. And now the relays also have a surge suppressor resistor built into them. And it stops any arcing that could happen in a mechanical relay. Now you can hook up to 100 amps of solar to this charge controller board. Now, all dual PMGs come with two stator cores. They're basically two separate motors. That's why there's two switches on the brake switch. And whenever you brake a dual PMG, flip both switches at the same time, never just one. Another reason there's a dual switch on dual PMGs is because the wiring has to stay separated. These cannot be touched together, otherwise it would just break your wind turbine. So anyway, just remember with a dual brake switch, flip both switches at the same time if you're going to brake it, free spin, or turn it to run. Okay, so that's it for the new dual three-phase all-in-one charge controller board. And I'm Jeff from Missouri Wind and Solar, and we'll see you in the next video.